Hello, welcome. Let's look at another way of manipulating the matrix, and that is matrix multiplication. How do you multiply a matrix? Given this matrix, this is a single row matrix, 1 by 3 matrix, and this is a 3 by 1 matrix, single column. The number of rows must be equal to the number of columns for you to have a good multiplication. So this is a single row, 1 column. That's why it is possible. So how do you go about the multiplication? Pick out this, multiply with this plus, this multiply with this plus, this multiply with this, and that's what was done. 10 times 16 plus 200 times 4 plus 150 times 22. So when you add up, if you multiply this, you have this. If you multiply this, you have this, multiply. And when you add this, you have 700. And that is how you do multiplication. So once you multiply a single row matrix with a single column, you have a single number. But here, if you multiply a single row with double column, you have double numbers. So the numbers that you have depends on the number of columns. If you have 1 column, you're going to have 1 number. If you have 2 columns, you're going to have 2. So how did you multiply this to get this? You do the same thing as you did here. 100 times 16, 200 times 4, 150 times 22. Then for this other column, you put comma, then you start for this other 100 times 15, 100 times 50, 200 times 5.5, 200 times 5.5, 150 times 20, 150 times 20. So you add this one up together, you have 5, 6, 700. 5 some hundred. Then you add this one up, you have 5, 600. So that's how you get this. You can see it's very, very simple. So you do 1 column first, keep it one side, separate it with a comma, then use the same row, multiply the next column to get this. And that is how you multiply. So very importantly, it has to be the row times column. That's how multiplication goes. Row times column. That's why the number here has to be equal to the number here. The number here, 1, 2, 3 has to be 1, 2, 3, so that you can do the appropriate multiplication. And that is how you do multiplication in matrix. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button by this side. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section below. If you need to contact us, check out the description part of this video to get our contacts. Thank you and God bless you.